Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get better study habits. Let's dive right into setting up your foundation for success. First, create a consistent study schedule. This builds routine and makes studying a natural part of your day. Next, set clear, achievable goals for each session. Knowing what you want to accomplish keeps you focused. Finally, identify your peak concentration times and schedule your most challenging work during those periods for maximum efficiency. Now, let's explore some powerful study techniques. Active recall is incredibly effective. Instead of just rereading, quiz yourself on the material. Spaced repetition involves reviewing information at increasing intervals, which helps move knowledge into long-term memory. Try explaining concepts aloud in your own words, as if teaching someone else. This process reveals what you truly understand and where you might need to review more deeply. Creating the right environment is crucial for effective studying. Designate a specific, quiet, and clutter-free space where you can concentrate without interruption. Keep all your study materials, like textbooks and notes, well-organized and easily accessible. This saves valuable time and reduces stress. Also, be mindful of digital distractions. Turn off phone notifications or use focus-enhancing applications to stay on task and avoid getting sidetracked. Finally, let's talk about sustaining your motivation and well-being. It's important to incorporate short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to prevent mental fatigue and keep your mind fresh. Reward yourself for reaching study milestones, whether it's completing a chapter or mastering a difficult concept. This positive reinforcement helps maintain motivation. Remember to prioritize adequate sleep and good nutrition, as these are fundamental for optimal cognitive function and sustained energy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.